In many of the techniques used to create links in Dreamweaver, the link is resolved for you automatically without asking which type of link that you want. Well, this can sometimes lead to sites using one type of link when, in fact, the author actually requires the other. Well, this is a preference you can set in Dreamweaver, but it's not located where you might think. Most people that are new to Dreamweaver keep searching, in vain I might add, in Dreamweaver's preference dialog box for this setting. It is, in fact, chosen when you initially define your site and is editable at any time by simply editing your site. So here we are in Dreamweaver. We are on our Explorer California site, and I'm just going to go back to my site definition. One of the easiest ways to do this is go over to your Files panel and simply double-click the name Explorer California or whatever your current site may be. Doing that will bring the Site Setup dialog box back, and what I'm looking for is right here in the Advanced Settings. The local info in your Advanced Settings has this little radio button right here that says, do you want links resolved relative to the document itself or to the site root? Now, the default is document relative, so that if that is what you need for your site, you really should never have to change that. But if for whatever reason you need to start creating site root relative links, maybe you're working on a PHP-based site, or maybe you're working on a site where files are going to move around a lot, you might want to switch that. But for most of the sites that you work on, you're probably just going to leave it as document relative. But it's very helpful to know where that's found because it is not found within the preferences. I'm going to go ahead and choose Save for that so that we make sure that our links are going to be resolved as document relative links. And there we go. So choosing to have Dreamweaver resolve links as document or site root relative, it's pretty simple. You just have to remember it is in the site definition dialog box, not the preferences. Now, it is worth noting, as you will see, that many of the link creation techniques allow you to specify using either document or site root relative. So you don't have to keep editing this setting every time you want to change it. You simply might have to use a technique that you don't normally use when changing link types.